Hi there, this is Fixed It. Just changing the battery of this Timex Ironman triathlon watch, and one of the things I noticed is that when I put it back together again, a number of these switches didn't work, and I've just fixed a couple of them. But as you can see, this one here is very slow and gets stuck. If we look very closely at that, we can see it's actually got a little spring clip on it. So using this watch pin extractor that you normally use on the strap, I can push that down and just push that pin off. If I get it to the right angle, so I need to just push it in a bit as I do it. There we go. As you can see, the clip's now off. And now if I turn this round and push on that hole, I can take that out. And this is the mechanism inside. It's waterproof, so it's got a very tiny grommet on there, but what's happened is it's dried out. So what I'm going to do is to use a little bit of silicone grease, which I have here, and just put some silicone grease around the shaft and the grommet like that. And I'm also going to put some inside the hole as well, just to make sure I've got enough coverage. So let's just put some inside that hole. And now I'm going to put the spring back on. Don't forget the spring. And now you'll see when I push it, it pushes in and out easily. And now I just need to maneuver that pin back in place. And if I just maneuver this around, so I'm pushing from the top. There we go. Just push that back down onto that pin. As you can see, this is pretty fiddly. There we go. So that's lined up. And now when I push that in, it should just lock into place. You may well hear it. That's it. And there you can see it works perfectly. So I'll just clean out the inside of this. All of them are now working. It's a bit fiddly, but unless you, if they do get sticky, you can't use the watch, because it means you can't actually press the buttons in. Or what generally happens is that one gets jammed inside, but they're now all nice and loose. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.